Hello there, sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. And for those of you new here, my name is Karen and welcome. In today's video, we're going to head to Hobby Lobby where I'm going to share with you some of my favorite fall finds for 2024. First, we're going to start off with wall art. And what I love most about wall art is it definitely can impact your mood. It helps you create a cozy ambience with the different styles and colors. And in this case, the coziness and the comfort of the fall season. Again, this year, I am loving the mushroom theme. And also this beautiful maple leaves bouquet wall wood art is really pretty. And if black and white is your thing, you're gonna like this sketch look. I think the pumpkins look so pretty. And if you're going for more of that neutral theme, I think this is the perfect piece. If text art is your thing, there are so many to choose from. Hello Fall, Fall in Love. I just like when you can have that little personal touch by adding some text art. Again, this beautiful fall leaves in blue vase has the muted colors for someone that likes to tend to go towards those colors during the autumn season. This is the fall barn in windmill wood wall art. And this piece I've gone back and forth on. I may be going back for it. These are so pretty as well. I love the floral pumpkins canvas wall decor. They come in two different colors. You may recognize this piece that I purchased last year. I had it on our mantle. I absolutely loved it. And I feel the orange and white pumpkins will definitely complement it, so stay tuned. Another beautiful piece is this fall landscape wall art. And now we're going to go to oval framed wood decor and square. These square and oval pumpkins are the perfect accessory, I feel, to tuck in to those little areas in your home. And as you can see, there are so many different styles to choose from. I thought these were so cute, these mini decorative ladders, and you can hang some hand towels on them or hang some florals on them. It's the perfect size, I think, when it comes to decorating for the autumn season. How adorable are these? First of all, the pumpkin light up decor, and they have mushrooms and pumpkins, and you can just add these to a tray or on your bathroom counters. I just think they are super cute. Now let's talk ribbon. I think this plaid twisted rope wire edge ribbon is so beautiful. I love the multicolors. And then mesh ribbon, to me, I think it's just perfect to add it to table runners if you want to make something like in the middle of the table, just to add that decorative element. And some of these have, you can see some pumpkins added to them and some leaves. Probably one of my favorite sections is the picks section. So I just feel it's always good to have multiple types of picks on hand to add, again, those decorative touches. They add more color, they add texture, they add height, they add interest to your decor. And I love the array of the velvet pumpkins along with the vine. And then they've got the Sherpa, the knit, and the flocked. So many choices. I am loving the array of the pumpkin velvet stems. The shades are so beautiful, and these have been a staple within my fall decor for the past few years, and I feel like each year they add more colors. What I am noticing is this beautiful teal shade along with apricot and maybe apricot peachy shade, and also mixed in with navy. I think they look so beautiful together. Also, look at these beautiful Sherpa pumpkin picks. Oh my goodness, I really, really love these. Let me know in the comments section what you feel your color scheme is going to be for this year as far as decorating for the fall season. I'd love to know. Again, so many choices as far as colors. Look at the acorns in orange and green and cream and even gold and copper. Okay, these dimpled mushrooms that either have a gold or copper top are calling my name. I love the wood base as well as the wood mushrooms. And look at the mushroom patch and the rattan mushroom. Now we're going to head over to the Garland section. And what I love most about Garland is it adds interest to your tables and your mantle, banisters, above cabinets, over doorways. I think this yellow fall foliage garland is so pretty. It's exactly the colors I've been looking for. And then look at the white magnolia and leaves. In this beautiful maple leaf garland with burlap in either the copper leaves or gold leaves with the mini clothespins. How cute is this? And also a lot of choices in the ruffle burlap garland. Who doesn't like vases and trays? And again, the beautiful fall colors of vases. I love the amber shade and this beautiful green, but let's talk trays. I love rattan trays. I can use trays in every area of my home. And look at this hyacinth woven pumpkin tray. It comes in 2 different sizes, and I think this is so pretty. This is going to be definitely something on my wish list. And then this beautiful rectangle beaded wood tray. I love the beaded handles. And I also like to use wooden razors. Adds a little bit of height when it comes to decorating. And again, these are also in 2 different sizes. And if you don't have a dough bowl, friends, this is the time to get one, because again, all this stuff actually is 40% off. Dough bowls come in so many different sizes and different styles. How cute is this glittery straw turkey with the wooden feather and pine cones all worked together with some glitter? Let's talk tabletop. They did not have much out yet, but I did think this beautiful white leaf dish was so pretty. The little pumpkin espresso cups, which my husband loves espresso cups, and the pumpkin sugar dish. And they also had the espresso cups in orange in these little mini cake stands, which were so cute. They only had a few table runners and placemats out, but this beautiful woven table runner I thought was so pretty, along with these placemats, the Gather placemat. And look how cute. I love the Snoopy mugs. And then of course they had the rattan pumpkins right there, which I did buy last year and I really like them. Now on to pillows. I'm loving the Robert Stanley pillows, the velvet pillows, the pumpkin to my pie pillows, and sweater weather. I mean, yeah, of course. And then the welcome pillow was so pretty and it has plaid on the backside. As far as wreaths, I actually bought this wreath years and years ago and I'm still using it. They're perfect for, of course, on your doors or over a fireplace or even on a mirror. I think they all look so, so pretty. And this one wreath with rattan pumpkins, and I love the Sherpa pumpkins, is so pretty. And of course, I know these were last year. I feel like they've added another style of the beaded wreaths as well. I also bought this wreath a few years ago with the pumpkins and the pine cones on it, and I just think it's so beautiful. And I think I used that on my front door for the past couple of years. And if you watched my fall Decorate With Me front porch videos, I do love to add a sign that says fall or pumpkins to my front porch. I love the look of it, and these were the only two that I saw so far. Okay, so the star of the show, as far as I'm concerned, are pumpkins. When it comes to the fall and autumn season, these beautiful flocked pumpkins I adore. You can see they didn't even have that many out, and yes, I bought all three of these. They are so pretty. I love the orange. I love like the creamish white, and I think they call this one maroon, but anyway, I love them, so beautiful. Next, obviously, are these ceramic acorns. Again, I love the beautiful colors. I love the size of them. They are so realistic. And what about these Robert Stanley little mini jewel-toned pumpkins? Again, I do like the gold. I love the gold cord on top. The jute pumpkins, they came in burgundy, blue, orange, and natural. And I thought, again, these were so adorable. These are the green fairy tale pumpkins. It's on its side, and it does remind you of Cinderella. I thought these were so pretty. They came in, obviously, the green and the cream, and also in orange. The Robert Stanley larger velvet pumpkins. Look at all the gorgeous shades of this. I am loving the burnt orange and the beautiful emerald green. Again, these are all jewel tone. I think they are so beautiful and rich looking, the colors. I feel like I want one in every color. Next are the stacked pumpkins, and they have quite a few different choices for you. The different shades of oranges, some with the teal shade, cream and orange. So basically whatever color scheme you're going with this year, if you like the stackable pumpkins, there's definitely one here for you. These knitted pumpkins, the cream and the green and the rust, these are so beautiful and cozy. You can even put them on a couch as like a little pillow, even though you would not want to put your head on the cord. But anyway, I think that would be super cute on a couch. And last year, I do remember buying the Sherpa pillows. I can't remember now, honestly, which one I bought. But they're both so pretty, and I might want one of each again this year. These are wood-like pumpkins. They have so many different styles of them. They got the kind of smash pumpkin shape and a larger pumpkin and even in a smaller shape. these are, I thought, were so cute. You guys know, if you watch my videos, that I love to make stackable pumpkins. I think they are so beautiful, though with real. But if it's not quite your thing, they've got the faux ones here in orange. They also come in white. And again, here are just a few more different stackable pumpkins with a little bling in the Sherpa and flocking and knitting. Just so many styles. I'm telling you, I just love each year how they come out with more beautiful, beautiful pumpkins. Let's talk candles. I love me a good candle, you know I do. It creates the coziness, especially when you light them, I think, in the autumn season. They got so many different types of scents, and I love the different jars. This one in particular is so pretty. The buttery pumpkin smells so good. And also the Heartland Harvest. I think these glass jars are really, really pretty. The Plentiful Harvest, again, a gorgeous shade. And who doesn't want a cup of cozy cocoa? And then to end my little Fall 2024 video here, I am going to share the florals. I use florals all throughout my home, faux and real, you all know that. And some of these are just absolutely beautiful. I think they add so much warmth that you can just toss them really into a vase to make some beautiful bouquets. These dry look hydrangea stems, and the gold and the mauve, oh my gosh, my friends, they look so real. They are absolutely stunning. I also love the dried berries. And anytime you want to add that, just that extra accent to give a little more height in color, I do like to add the eucalyptus, the faux eucalyptus. They have, again, so many shades. They've got the purple shade and the red, the orange, and the yellow. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel and that you are signed up for my weekly newsletter. Love you all, and we'll see you on my next video.